Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Just wanted to show you this used 2018 240 AR that we just brought in. Come around here and I'll show you a little bit about this boat. So I mentioned we just took this boat in on trade. The boat is a nice clean 2018, only 57 hours on this boat. So it's got a lot of life ready and to go out there and have a good time. As usual, you see the back end of the Yamahas have such a great entertaining area. So when you're parked out with the family, it's awesome. You have jet drives here. You don't have a prop to worry about the kids kicking. So there's always a good safety feature with the Yamahas. Let me take you inside to show you the inside of the boat. So up here in the bow, you got plenty of storage underneath the seats. You actually can store cushions that will fill in the front here to make it into a sun pad. You got integrated cup holders and speakers. As well, in the front you have the hatch for the anchor storage, and it has a nice SeaDek step down, easy to get on and off the boat. I like having the snap-in carpet. It's easy to keep clean. If you want to take the carpet out and clean it, and then you can snap it right back in. Right here at the helm station, you've got a touch screen. It's got twin engines, as I mentioned. It's the 1.8 cylinders. The boat drives so fun. It's like driving a sports car on water is the way I look at it. Also have the co-captain chair here with the wraparound seating in the back. There's actually a fill-in cushion here that you can put in so you can make it comfortable for everyone. And like I said, there's nothing better than a Yamaha out in the cove one day when you got the kids and everybody's jumping off the boat and swimming. So it's an awesome family boat. If you're looking for a good, used, clean boat, this would be the one. So come see us here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. We would love to help.